So you probably guessed from the costume what dance we're doing today. It's Cinderella, lovely gothic waltz. So you're going to start off and we're going to do 2 balances turning around yourself. You're going to tap the foot in front, and as you're doing that you're blowing little kisses. So you're going to go round and round and step out of it into an arabesque alignment. Then you go back the other way. Balance, step, arabesque. Then you're going to step forwards. When you step forwards, your arms are going to go up to a high V. Can I go flat-footed or up onto demi-point and step out of it? Demi-point or flat-footed, step out of it 3 times, looking over your shoulder. Suddenly turn to bring yourself over to this side of the room, ready to take an arabesque. So you're going to step or step. You want to cross the foot over, a tiny little spring back. So you're pointing the same foot across that you stepped on. Then you want to transfer weight and step onto the other leg, cross little spring and step back. We've finished that little phrase with an arabesque to the wall, another arabesque, picking up your skirt to show those shoes and stopping in the centre of the room. Now we're going to do 4 balances with the foot tapping in front. As it's tapping, you're going to swing your arms over your head. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. The foot's pointing and you're reaching up. It's like checking out Cinderella's shoes. Then you go around again. So it's the same way again. And you drop, lift up, drop, lift up. From there, stepping on the front foot, you're going to extend the leg to the side with a feeling of lift épaulement in your shoulders. So you're lifting, lifting, 2 little lunges, and a soutenu turn, arms coming all the way down. So you can repeat it. You step over and kick, 2 little lunges. This time don't turn, dress up to the back corner. Ready to step back and to extend the croisé leg, and you can either take it flat-footed or you can take a rise, running or stepping if you haven't got much space, into a tiny little jeté. 2 balances with blowing kiss hands and a bourrée back to the other corner, and then you go on the other side. So you want to step on the back foot, kick the front foot, little jeté, balancé, balancé, and a bourrée back. And in the last little section, you're going to take a pas de bourrée under, so you're going behind, side, front, and then a pas de bourrée piqué over the top. So I'll show you this. So straight legs, and then the bent legs to come back. Arms straight when the legs are straight, and then opposite arm to leg to start you back, come back the other way. Twice. Once you've put that foot down, you're going to step on it and bring the other leg to the back of your knee. So lifting, step out of it, lift, step out of it, a soutenu turn, find your balance, release the leg and step out to finish. Let's try it with the music. Well done. I hope you enjoyed that.